Hi everyone. As a teacher, I find three common issues among students of all age groups. The first is that students deal with a lot of anxiety daily. Secondly, some students often do not understand that their actions or the lack thereof have consequences. Finally, some students don't seem to fully understand that their privilege or freedom of choice comes with responsibilities. For these reasons and more, I would choose to use existential therapy as a school counselor. Existential therapy is a psychotherapeutic approach that focuses on humans' nature and their experiences. It was born out of life's problems. The therapeutic approach emphasizes and celebrates humans' capabilities while also acknowledging the fragile nature of our existence and our limitations. Existential therapy helps clients identify and access psychological barriers that they must overcome to start the recovery process. By doing so, clients find meaning in the face of their crisis if they choose to be authentic and responsible. Existentialism does not embrace the idea that therapy should be done using a particular set of techniques. Rather, it asserts that therapy should be done through an understanding of what it means to be human. Existentialism addresses anxiety as a fundamental human issue that arises from the contemplation of mortality, meaninglessness, emptiness, guilt, and condemnation. Many existential therapists use techniques from other forms of therapy, including person centered therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, psychoanalytic therapy, humanistic psychology, among others, to understand the client's subjective worldview. They tailor these techniques to address specific concerns individual clients present with. There are many ways in which existential therapy can help students. Once students are willing to uncover the reason behind their psychological conflict and are ready to move past them, existential therapy can help them deal with behavioral and psychological misgivings such as substance abuse, anxiety, trauma, depression, fear, and uncertainties. Existential therapy helps students to identify and give meaning and purpose to their lives. As students become aware that they are ultimately responsible for their actions, their attitudes will change as they aim to make the right decisions. This therapy helps students develop self-awareness, positive self-esteem, positive self-concept, and become motivated to change and effectively deal with their lives' fluidity. Dollarhide adequately states that existential therapy has great utility for working with young students who are in the midst of making sense of not only themselves and others, but also ambitious educational choices that are often framed by adults within the context of their future life. Thank you.